You can tell that the dining experience has calmed down a little bit because JP's gone wild in the aisle. You haven't even had your ice cream soon.
I haven't opened until 10:30.
Wow, look at this view. Wow. Part of the beach they never use. Oh, look at the colour of the water. Look at the colour of that water. There.
Gee.
Wow.
You got the contrast,
Beautiful.
look.
There's another cruise ship in. There's quite a few cruise ships in. Wow. Good morning. Just waiting for JP. Oh, here he is.
Yay!
The obligatory toilet flush and door. Look at that door. Look at the door. Come on, we'll go to breakfast. Worst breakfast experience ever. Now, when we were last time on the Wish, it was bad going to Marceline Market. But this morning, it might have even been our own fault. What's the time? 9:06.
It is our own fault. It's so late.
It was just manic.
It is busy.
I literally walked around 3 times trying to find somewhere to sit and I couldn't. And if you get anxious in any way, anxiety, maybe go to the other restaurants for breakfast and avoid that place. But it's got so much amazing choice of food and I don't know what they do with things. I'll show you what we got.
Let's go back later.
So I just got a yogurt and some breakfast fruit. JP's got amazing eggs Benedict,
Eggs Julia, eggs Benedict, turkey bacon, asparagus.
Turkey bacon.
Yep.
Oh, I'm gonna try that. Yum. Say hello to Liberty. Calm down now. I'm back to being happy again. So calm down. It's a lovely way to eat your breakfast anyway out here.
Good morning, Disney. Do expect that to happen.
Prunes here, so you need your bowl.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go.
I need 3.
Yeah!
The last time we were here was October and they were building this little new area, so yeah, it was good to see progress. So time is 9:35 and they've just said that you can now go ashore, so it looks a lot quieter inside now. So if this is open till gone 10, yeah, definitely come down later and have your breakfast. So you can tell that the dining experience has calmed down a little bit because JP's gone wild in the aisle. Miffy waffles.
Just wanted to get fruit and nuts.
Donut and mushrooms. Do you want some fruit? So it's a little bit calmer in here. So it's 10:05. couldn't show you much because it's still mega busy. But you get the gist. He's doing so hard. Ready for lunchtime.
10:30 they open.
They do not.
They do.
They do 10:30.
10:30.
Are you serious? Really?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Just after we get out the gym.
It actually smells like it. But do you know what the time is now?
10:10.
So we're not going to get out of the gym in 10 minutes, are we?
We will if we don't do anything.
Smells amazing. You haven't even had your ice cream this morning.
I haven't opened until 10:30.
This is so pretty.
Deck 12, doors in.
Has some nice little areas to sit. Because everybody's off the ship, it's quite nice. There's lots of selection available for you when you're walking around. I think we're on deck 14.
We're on 14.
Pool isn't open yet up here.
Chippendale's Pool.
Chippendale's Pool. Shower though. Just noticed as well that they put towels out for you in the chairs. Super cute. Oh, look at that view through there. You see the Atlantis Hotel. You see it? You see it in the sunshine. Amazing. I love coming to the Bahamas. We're just staying in the ship and exploring it. NCL in, Carnival, Liberty, and we've got Royal Caribbean in as well. Guys, let me down below what sort of things you'd like us to cover on these cruise ships. I heard someone say about evening entertainment, so we'll do some of that tonight.
Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary living guy.
Come down to the 1923, where we actually will be eating tonight. But we'll come here for lunch. It's lovely and calm. It's quiet. Look how chilled. There again it is 25 past 12. Right, so you've got signature drinks, desserts, and then you've got juice and go. Ooh, a juice tonic. Really? Soups. Mexican tortilla, which is my favourite. Salad.
Would you like to order some drinks, soft drinks, juice?
Yes, we.
Yeah, exactly.
We don't get through. We get checked every single year.
Okay. So in the States you don't.
No.
There's a huge waiting list for them already.
Right, lunch done and dusted, and it was amazing. Too much food though, but it was delicious. So I had the salmon and then the lamb kofta burger. Oh, delicious. Tuna for JP, said it was absolutely delicious. This little sitting area is so cute. I've just been enjoying just sitting here. Oh, for goodness sakes. Every time I pick up the camera, you're on the toilet, JP.
I'm not, I just insist that toilet's clear.
Look in the lovely sunshine. Yeah, I am definitely getting shorter.
How about if I...
No, that's it. That's
There you go,
that's
I
it.
scooched in.
Hi! Good evening, guys, and welcome to our channel if you're just tuning in. We're off to dinner.
Dinner.
Where are we going?
1923.
1923 for dinner tonight. We went there for lunch actually. previous video, or it could be part of this video. I'm not quite sure how I'm editing these videos yet. But yes, I've got my Mickey top on, you've got your awesome top on. Caribbean top.
Hawaiian top.
Yes, so we're going to go and show you the gorgeous food in this restaurant. The menu is exactly the same as when it was in October.
Yeah, it's a slightly more grown-up menu than the others.
Restaurants.
Yeah, it's more grown-up than Arundel. It's certainly more grown-up than Marvel. But it's...
Arundel's amazing last night.
Yeah.
Amazing. Right, so come with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, notification bell. Helps our little channel grow, and hopefully it's informative. We're still enjoying the room. We're loving the window, the porthole. Oh
That's
my
amazing.
gosh. Coming into Nassau today was just amazing. Laying in bed, watching that view was stunning. So 9010 is our cabin number. Highly recommend it. Yeah, so still loving the cabin and stuff. So catch you in a bit. 1923. See if I can show you this menu.
Are you sure?
What?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Fantasy, or you go to magic or wonder. All you just need is more easy on the sweet. Want more.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. Thank you.
Tonight we have a vegan on.
This is the fennel Bartlett pear salad with cheese and walnuts, and JP had Kingswell duck confit. You've got tortellini pasta, and that was a Caesar salad. Yum. Lots of yummy food. And then JP has got a sirloin steak. Yeah, so now over to the yummy puddings. I'm doing a voiceover at this point purely because we had someone come and sit with us who was a solo sailor. So we were like, yeah, come sit with us, it's fine. And then you don't realise until you're editing back that it causes issues with the actual vlogging. So because you're talking over everything rather than showing all these lovely foods that we're eating. As you know, with Disney Cruises, you can order as many desserts as you want. So yes, we did. We ordered loads. We ordered tapioca. Ooh, not my favourite. This. It looks actually really pretty. It was well presented, but it was not one of my favourites. We also ordered a apple cake, and the orange one I think we just saw was a flourless orange almond cake. Not that great for my taste buds. We were going to order the churros, but we had those last time, which I'd already vlogged, so they were okay actually. The guest that we had with us said, oh, they were cold, and she was expecting them to be hot, so I don't really mind churros. They were churros to me. Yeah, so we ordered loaves pudding and had a lovely chit chat. So hope you enjoyed this bit.